Hello everyone, how you all are doing? I really hope you all are doing well and safe, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell button next to it so that you will be notified every time I put up a new video. And if you don't know me guys, hi, my name is Sabah and I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle and product reviews. And if you like what you see so far, then please consider subscribing this red subscribe button and be my virtual family. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to share what I got from Myntra. So Myntra is having their sale and they are giving like up to 80% off, which is such an insane sale. And I have got quite a few stuff from them, and I have got like Indian wear and into Western wear, and I have also got like one pair of sandal. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just move to the video now. So guys, the first thing which I bought is from the brand Sangria. So I have already shopped from them and they have like amazing pieces. They have like amazing designer pieces, and I have like 4 to 5 items which you would probably seen in some of my haul video, and I love their pieces guys. If you want to go like very unique designer pieces, then you should definitely check out Sangria brand. They have amazing collection, and this time as well I went for like very unique designer party wear dress. So this is how it looks like. So in front it has like collar and 3/4 sleeve, and on sleeve as well they have like ruffle going on, and from front it is like shirt design. So it goes here till here. So can you see that? Yeah, it goes till here. So the front is over, and from the back it has like gown design all over, and they have also inserted some very unique detailing from back. So it has like button going on from back, and it has a good flare as well. And with it they have also provide this trouser. So it is in like bright peach color, and this is in maroonish color, and I love their color combination as well. So this is in polyester material, but the material is quite good guys. It's quite comfortable on the skin, and don't worry, I'll put the try on haul right away. So guys, the next thing is 3 pieces kurta set. So I love wearing 3 pieces kurta set, and this time I went for Anook brand. So I already have like 2 outfits from this brand, and they have like such a good quality product guys. So if you want to go on a quality basis, then you should definitely consider buying from this brand. They have like such an amazing quality product, and this time I went for Angrakha design. So I never worn any Angrakha kurta, so I really wanted to buy some Angrakha kurta for myself. So this time I went for this one, and this is how it looks like. So from front this has like authentic Angrakha design going on, and it has also this dory kind of a thing, and the sleeve is kind of full for me. And the main thing guys, it has like bobby print going on all over. I love bobby prints, and it has like this border going on, and I love this design. And the color, oh my god, the color is so good, and yeah, I love every bit of it. And with this I got this plazo and dupatta with this. So the plazo and dupatta is kind of basic, nothing too fancy, but the material is so good guys. Like it's so buttery and so comfortable, very appropriate for summer. So yeah, looking forward to wear these outfit in summer, and I really love the quality guys. So guys, the next thing is this beautiful gown guys, and this is in black color. I love black color, and this is like a very basic gown, but if you can accessorize it in a beautiful way, then it will look so beautiful. And this is how it looks like. It is in georgette material, and the material is really good guys, and it's quite flary as well. And I really love the sleeve. Like sleeve is like it has some ruffle, and it is like elastic in this part, and I love the sleeve guys. The sleeve is so beautiful, and it has like V-neck, and of course you can see the try on haul for the overall look. So and guys, the next thing is also from the brand Sangria. So this is like a beautiful Indo-Western dress, and I have told you like Sangria has unique stuff, and this is like one of the example. So this is a very beautiful Indo-Western dress. This is like A-line kind of a kurta, and this is how it looks like. So it has like collar, neck, and this kind of sleeve. So sleeve will like till here. So yeah, it's a very beautiful check design going on, and like in front they have, it is like open. You can also like button it up as well. So it has like this. So from front it is like this. So okay, it's like open from here, and this side as well open from here, okay, till here. And from back this is like this. From back it is like this. I know थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है समझने में, बट डोंट वरी, ट्राई ऑन हॉल में सब कुछ अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा. बट दिस इज सच अ ब्यूटिफुल पीस गाइज, एंड इफ यू विल पेयर इट with like blue jeans, it will look amazing. So it's a very beautiful kurta, and I have also like grabbed it in such a good price. So I have paid I think 400 or 450 for this one, and it is like pure cotton. So the material is really good, and this is how it looks like. It's a wonderful Indo-Western dress, and I really love it. So guys, the last thing from this Myntra haul is this beautiful pair of shoes. So this is from the brand Maston Harbour, and it's such a beautiful shoes guys, and it's in black color, so it will go with every possible thing. And this is very comfortable guys, trust me on that. And it has like some heel as well, and yeah, this is how it looks like, and it is such a good classy piece. And yeah, this is so beautiful and very comfortable. And yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope you liked this video, and if you really did, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And do follow me on my Instagram. I am more active there, and I would love to see you guys there as well. And as always, all the links will be in the description box below, so if you want to buy anything, you can buy from there. And if you have any suggestions or requests, just do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to take your request guys and make a video out of it. And I'll see you super soon in my next one. Till then, y'all stay happy. Bye bye.